Hey guys, I just wanted to give you a quick update about the undetected AI content, which is the video that I created a month ago, which is this video right here. How to use ChatGPT to generate 100% human written content, generate undetected AI content, ChatGPT. And a lot of you guys have been asking me to provide the link for the software, but unfortunately, guys, I'm not able to provide you the link for the software because the software crashes, and I really apologize for that incident. But in this video, I'm going to be solving that problem using this brand new tool right here, which is GetCrunch.ai. All right, so I tested the software a while ago, and this is really powerful. All right, I'm going to be showing exactly how to generate undetected AI content using GetCrunch. Keep watching. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is JR at jercallora.com. In this YouTube channel, I talk about affiliate marketing, make money online, product reviews, latest technology. If you like this kind of content, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell icon so you guys will get notified every time I upload content like this. Without further ado, let's dive right into our video. So this is the software right here, or the website, which is getconch.ai. So I tested this a while ago, and this is really powerful, and it took me one click for me to be able to generate this brand new 100% undetected AI content, which is the content that I generated inside ChatGPT. Right, so I have that content or a chat right here inside of ChatGPT. Write me 100 words about affiliate marketing. Now ChatGPT provide me this content right here. Now what I can do, guys, is I can go to this website right here, which is getconch.ai. I'm gonna put a link below this video that way you can just click on that link, but you can basically go to getconch.ai. Now this is 100% free. You can get started and try this software for 100% free. There's also a Chrome extension that you can also download, right? You can click on that Chrome extension link, and it will let you add this into your Chrome extension. Now I'm not gonna add Chrome extension because I just wanted to use this AI bypasser. Just click on this AI bypasser. It will let you write AI detection for free, or you can check your content right here. So I'm just gonna copy and paste this content right here, and then I'm gonna paste this one right here. And all you have to do now is to click on check my paper, and it will take you a couple of seconds for the software to check your content. So as you can see, guys, your text was likely written by AI, and you only have 10 score right here. Right now, to rewrite this content and to make this content 100% human written content, all you have to do, guys, is to click on this rewrite all, or you can rewrite a specific paragraph right here. Right, you can highlight the specific paragraph, and then you can click on rewrite paragraph to rewrite that specific paragraph, but you can click on this rewrite all to rewrite the entire content into a brand new undetected human written content. And we'll wait for a couple of seconds right here for us to be able to generate a brand new content. As you can see, guys, this is already generated, and we have now 100% score right here, and it's telling us that your text is likely to be written entirely by human. All right, now let's read this content right here, and let's compare this to the original one right here. So the original one is affiliate marketing is a type of performance-based marketing where business reward affiliates for bringing in customers or visitors to their website through affiliate marketing efforts. Right, now let's read this brand new content right here, which is generated with GetCrunch.ai. So performance-based marketing, known as affiliate marketing, offers businesses the opportunity to reward affiliates for providing customers traffic via their own advertising tactics, which is really powerful because this sentence make all sense, right? And this is really powerful, guys, and it took you like one click to do that, right? And it's really powerful, and all you have to do, guys, is to copy and paste this and publish this inside of a website. But you can further check this to different kind of AI detection software like content at scale. Let's go to content at scale AI detector. All right, let's try if this software can detect if this is written using AI. So let's paste this one right here, and let's check for AI content. Alright guys, so as you can see guys, this is 100% human content score, alright? And we check this inside of AI and inside of content at scale, which is really powerful, alright? Now you can use the software, try out, just like I said, I'm gonna put a link below this video if you wanted to use AI. So that's pretty much it guys. I hope this video helps you solve the problem when it comes to generating 100% human written content using ChatGPT or using an AI. Thank you so much for watching this video. And by the way, guys, I have a free affiliate marketing training below this video. If you wanted to learn affiliate marketing the right way, I have a free mini course below this video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye. Love you. Bye.